Okay, here we are at Jomtien, his hotel. Just got off the elevator over there, room 710. And I thought I'd do a room tour before I make a mess and put my stuff all over the place. So we'll start over here in the bathroom. And it's got a nice modern shower with an electric hot water heater and a toilet and a sink and a big vanity and lots of mirrors. And then over here on the left, we've got the good sized mini fridge. It's actually a midi fridge, which I'm gonna fill up with snacks. Nice big closet over here on the left with a safe. Room safes are getting much more common here in Thailand. I've had them at every hotel I've been to. Nice little sitting area here for the desk, and then some cupboards and cabinets, and two more seats over here with a table, and two big beds. This was the only room they had left, so I had to get a room with two beds. The AC is on and cranking nice and cold, and the most amazing feature of this room is by far the view. Right on the ocean in the Gulf of Thailand, here in Jomtien Beach, Pattaya, Thailand. So we can see the ocean in all directions, as far as we can see. And this area of the beach is definitely much quieter than the area I spent the last 2 nights in North Jomtien Beach. This is South Jomtien Beach. So I'm gonna actually try and get in the water this afternoon over here in the ocean. Down there on the beach, there's a marked off swimming area, which I assume is pretty safe. Maybe even lifeguard down there, I don't know. I haven't spent much time on the beach yet. But yeah, you can see the view from the terrace of my room is absolutely stunning. So we'll see you out there on the beach. Oh, also there's a nice pool at this hotel. A infinity pool that overlooks the ocean down on this level. This is the 4th floor level. So we're gonna check that out a little bit too. All right, we'll see you out there at the beach.